over 109 million people on today were the estimated count in the Philippines. This is somehow a rough shift in population because just between 2010 and 2020, the Philippines population growth rate was about 1.72%. And a country or a region with a large number of people will possibly experience overcrowding, waste and housing issues, pollution, and other undesirable phenomena. Therefore, the study GIS-based spatial analysis on the changing demographics, population outgrowth or regression in Agusan will be carried out as one of the first steps in starting to change the way we used to live. It will establish a platform of awareness, information, and education concerning population shifts or transition, which will demonstrate importance of population control and effective distribution to specific areas considered rural or urban, not just within the province, but also throughout the region within the Philippine border. Previous research findings have suggested that population growth or decline is determined jointly by demographic, social, economic, political, geographic, and cultural forces, as well as temporal and spatial influences. However, the existing research and population change often generates different and sometimes conflicting findings. This had led to the gap in the literature of systematic view of population change. Now, this paper attempts to help fill this gap by systematically examining population change, influential factors, as well as their temporal and spatial dynamics using a GIS-based approaches such as GIS scatter plotting and ordinary list square regression analysis and modeling. This study provides more dynamic and less biased estimates of the effects and a more comprehensive understanding of population change. Here's how this research on the changing demographics in Agusan will take up. From the data acquisition and processing to the exploration of the effects, then analysis and modeling, only then we can generate the conclusion. And here's how the data collection and processing will be initiated. First, when PSC PAPSEN permits the researcher to use existing population data files, will the data acquisition and processing phase begin. And as the variables, population, and its corresponding spatial factors will be stored in the GIS database management, it will undergo systematic manipulation and analysis. Then an OLS regression will be run with the potentially foreseen outcome to be the GIS-based maps and models which will be used for population change analysis and conclusion. These possible outcomes will be an aid to many government agencies, especially the development sector, as part of their development plan that highly regard the accountability of population. That would be all. Thank you.